Hello, everyone. Ms. Z here. We're getting ready to do our first virtual lab. Today we're going to do the cell size lab. So before we get started and gather our materials, I want to make sure we're all on the same page. As you're watching this video, follow along, answer the questions as if it's you doing the lab and not me. Okay? Got a little guest appearance there. Okay. So since we're doing this lab in a kitchen, we are going to have to be flexible with some of the materials, but so far what I have gathered is gelatin, which I've had sitting overnight, solidifying. You are going to need your razor blade. In this case, I'm going to use a small sharp knife. Your sodium hydroxide. In this case, I'm going to use a mixture of vinegar and food coloring. I chose green in honor of St. Patrick's Day week. And we need a plastic spoon. Don't have plastic, can use this guy. 250 milliliter beaker. Switching that out for just a measuring cup or a glass bowl. We'll try out both, see what happens, if it works better. A millimeter ruler. And some paper towels. All right, materials are gathered. Okay, so for step one, I was told to cut the gelatin into cubes. So here I am. I have my 3 different gelatins. Boom, boom, boom. And now I'm going to cut them so the first cube is 3 centimeters on each side. Second cube is 2 centimeters on each side, and the third cube is 1 centimeter on each side. So I'm gonna do that and check back in. So here are our 3 cubes. We have a 3 by 3 by 3 centimeter cube. We have a 2 by 2 by 2 centimeter cube, and we have our 1 by 1 by 1 centimeter cube. So now you should be able to answer questions 1 through 5. Moving on to step 6, placing the cubes in the beaker. So I'm just gonna place them in here. I'm gonna pour enough of the solution I created onto them that it just covers it, and I'm gonna record my starting time. So I'm gonna start a timer as soon as I put the solution on top, and we're gonna let it run for 4 minutes. So the cubes are officially in our glass. Now the directions say when they're in the beaker, you wanna make sure you not only record your starting time, which I have, but take your spoon and turn the cubes pretty often, so that way all the sides get coated in the solution. So this is gonna stay in here for 4 minutes. So it's been 4 minutes, we're ready. We took the cubes out. So I lined them up here. We have our 1 by 1 by 1, 2 by 2 by 2, and our 3 by 3 by 3 cube. So now I'm going to cut them in half. We're gonna make some observations, draw some pictures, and answer the rest of the questions. So here I am, just cutting them in half. Now drum roll, our final results. We have our 1 by 1 by 1, our 2 by 2 by 2, and our 3 by 3 by 3 centimeter cubes. What do you notice? What are the differences? What did we end up with? So pause it if you need to, but this should help you answer the remaining questions. Right. I'm logging off for the day. Me and my friend Yogi, we're gonna say goodbye. Thank you for following along with this virtual lab. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And thanks again. Great job.